Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, our today's topic is again phonogram, but today we will study phonogram Y, EY, and IE. I repeat, today we will study phonograms Y, EY, and IE. Means today we will studies and we will write some words having Y, EY and IE letters. Okay, now let me explain. See, now I will write some words here that ends with Y. Let's say I'll write here sunny, sunny. Right? So this is the word that ends with letter Y. Now let's write here funny, funny. Okay, or if I'll write sorry, sorry. So in all these three words, sunny, funny, sorry, see these words ends with phonogram Y. So what is the sound that is produced? The sound that produced is E. E. So whether the words ends with Y or the word ends with EY or the words that is having IE letters, the sound that produces E. The sound that produces E. Let's say for example, like I gave some examples of this Y phonogram, sunny, funny, sorry. And the sound that produces sunny, E, funny, sorry. Now if I write some EY words like, see, monkey, and the next one is donkey, donkey, and the next one is like hockey, hockey. So in all these words, see these words ends with Y phonogram, right? As I told you, Y phonogram. These words ends with EY phonogram. See EY, EY phonogram. But again the sound produces monkey, E. Again I told you that whether it is Y, EY or IE in the letters, the sound that we have to pronounce is E. So see monkey, donkey, hockey. Now let's take some word having IE in between. Okay. Now or at the end, it may be at the end or it may be in between. Now let's say I'll write peace, PIECE. This is peace. Now next is movie, or let's take the next word is shield. So again see peace, though here it is IE but the sound produces E. Peace, movie, see here it is at the end, still the sound is E, movie. Then shield, again the sound is E. So what I want to say is that as we are studying these three kind of phonogram, so whenever these letters are there in any word, the sound that we have to pronounce is E. The sound that we have to pronounce is E. Okay. So Y, EY and some IE words I have discussed. Now let's study these words from your book. See, now the phonogram family with Y, the sound is E. So, funny, sunny, family, fancy, rusty, jolly, yummy, granny, happy, tiny, sorry, body, bunny, trolley. See, at the end there is Y but the sound produces E. Okay. Now let's read some EY words. Again the sound is E. Monkey, donkey, hockey, valley, and this is volley. This is this is volley. So again EY words sound is E. Now IE words again the sound is E. Sh, yield, F, yield, Pr, yeast, movie and peace. Simple. So this you have to read. Okay. These words you have to read. Now what we are going to do, we will now read one page that is there. So you have to read it. See, the more and more you read, your reading will improve. So let's read it. It is sunny. This is my family. The bug is tiny. She is very jolly. Her granny is happy. The pansy is on the grass. The bunny is under the tree. There is yummy food in the trolley. Okay, so there is yummy food in the trolley. The pansy is on the grass. The bunny is under the tree. There is yummy food in the trolley. Okay, so you have to read this page. Now, what you have to do, let's write some words in your notebook. Okay, which is very, very important to remember the words, because with writing you will be able to learn it. Now, here you have to write like this. Wait. Okay. So whether it is Y phonogram, the sound is E, as I told you. Whether it is EY, the sound is E. And whether it is IE, the sound is E. So this is the sound that I am writing here. Okay. Now let's write. So the number 1 is, let's write with Y phonogram, that is funny. Funny. This is funny. Now write down yummy. Yummy. When you pronounce these words, you will find all the sounds comes, right? Yummy. But I told you at the end, if Y is there, the sound we have to pronounce is E. Okay. Now the next is tiny. Tiny. Next is granny. Okay. Next is jolly. Okay. And next is happy. Okay. So you have to write down like this. Now move on to EY words. Now let's write some EY words. So write down monkey, donkey, valley, hockey, and next is volley. And let's write one more, money. Okay, so these are EY words. Now let's write IE words. So movie, field, priest, or peace. Okay, and The next is, next which one I'll write here? Shield. Okay, so these are the words that you have to write in your book, in your notebook. Okay, kids? Fine, it is clear. So you have to write these words. See, the purpose of writing is that the more and more words if you will read, then you know how to read. Okay, why we are doing this daily? Because so that the more you write new words, the more you will memorize it, and you no need to learn any word. Only what you have to do, you have to read only. No need to learn spellings. Only you should know that how to read the word when any word comes in front of you, so that you will be able how to read that word. Okay, so with the help of this writing, you will be able to read words frequently. Okay, and it's my request, then when you write these words, you should speak at that time. Okay, do not copy it from this. You have to speak, like when you are writing, when you will write funny, then you have to speak funny, yummy. Okay, तो बच्चों आपको बोल बोल के लिखना है. All right, so you have to do this work and one page in your this book which you have to do, which is very easy. So put down the date on the top. Which month is going on? January. And you have holiday tomorrow, so you can share your work till tomorrow evening. Means you can share your work till 26th evening. Okay. So first is money. So you have to just match it with the, first is monkey. So you have to match it with the monkey. Next is movie. You have to match it with the movie. Donkey. So you have to match it with the donkey. Next is valley. Valley is where? Here. This is valley. Next is field. Field. Here it is field, where we grow crops. Next is pie. Pie. And next is peace. Okay. So kids, as I am telling you that you have one day holiday, so do these two work. Write all these 3 phonogram word in your notebook and do this one page, and also you have to read this page number 65 which is there in your literacy book. Okay, read it and match it and then write it. Okay, do this work and share your work till tomorrow. Bye bye kids, take care and have a very nice day. Bye.